Hello everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Today, we're diving into a very exciting and practical topic, specialized vocabulary in technology. Why technology? Because whether you work in IT, business, education, or even healthcare, technology is part of our everyday lives. Emails, apps, websites, social media, online meetings, these are things we all use. And in the professional world, you often hear or read terms that are specific to tech. If you don't understand these words, conversations in the workplace, meetings with colleagues, or even just reading an article can feel confusing. But once you learn them, everything becomes much clearer. In this episode, specialized vocabulary, key tech terms you should know. I'll introduce you to 15 essential tech terms. We'll go through each one carefully. I'll explain what it means, how it's used, and give you examples of sentences you can practice. By the end of this podcast, you'll feel more confident using these words in your daily conversations, emails, and professional life. So let's get started. Why specialized vocabulary matters. Before we jump into the terms, let's quickly talk about why specialized vocabulary is so important. General English is great for everyday conversations. Words like good, nice, help, problem, these are useful. But when you step into a professional or technical context, you need more precision. For example, if you only say computer problem, it sounds basic. If you say a software bug, people know exactly what you mean. Specialized vocabulary makes you sound professional, credible, and clear. It's a difference between basic English and real-world English. 15 key tech terms you should know. Now let's go through the terms. 1. Software. Software refers to the programs and applications that run on a computer or device. Example, I need to update the software on my laptop. Microsoft Word is a type of software. 2. Hardware. Hardware is the physical part of a computer or device things you can touch. Example, the printer is not working because the hardware is damaged. RAM and CPU are examples of computer hardware. 3. Application. App. An application or app is a program designed to perform a specific task. Example, I use a fitness app to track my workouts. This banking app allows you to transfer money easily. 4. Bug. A bug is an error or problem in a program or system. Example, the new software update fixed several bugs. There's a bug in the system that keeps crashing the app. 5. Cloud computing. Cloud computing means storing and accessing data or programs over the internet instead of on your computer. Example, we use cloud computing to store our files online. Google Drive is a cloud service. 6. Database. A database is an organized collection of information stored electronically. Example, the company keeps customer details in a secure database. LIDA. Learning SQL can help you manage databases. 7. Firewall. A firewall is a security system that protects computers or networks from unauthorized access. Example, the firewall blocks suspicious activity on the network. You should always keep your firewall active for protection. 8. Artificial intelligence AI. AI is technology that allows machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Example, AI is used in voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work. 9. Algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step process or set of rules used to solve a problem, especially in computing. Example, search engines use algorithms to show results. This app's algorithm recommends new songs based on your taste. 10. Bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transmitted over an internet connection in a given time. Example, streaming videos requires a lot of bandwidth. The internet is slow because the bandwidth is limited. 11. Open source. Open source refers to software that is free to use, modify, and share. Example: Linux is an open source operating system. Many developers contribute to open source projects. 12. Encryption. Encryption is a process of converting information into code to protect it from unauthorized access. Example: Messages on WhatsApp are protected by encryption. The main banks use encryption to secure online transactions. 13. Network. A network is a group of connected computers or devices that can communicate with each other. Example: All the office computers are connected to the same network. Wi-Fi is a type of wireless network. 14. Server. A server is a powerful computer that provides services, data, or resources to other computers. Example: The website is down because the server crashed. Servers store and deliver content on the internet. 15. User interface or EI. The user interface is the part of software that you interact with, the design, buttons, menus, and screens. Example: This app has a very simple user interface. A good UI makes software easier to use. How to learn and remember these terms. Learning vocabulary is not about memorizing a list, it's about using the words. Here are a few tips. 1. Make flashcards. Write the term on one side and the definition, example on the other. Review daily. 2. Use the words in sentences. Practice speaking. Our database is secure thanks to encryption. 3. Read tech articles. Try websites like TechCrunch or Wired. You'll see these words in context. 4. Practice in conversations. If you work in tech, use the words with colleagues. If not, practice with friends or language partners. Conclusion. So, let's quickly review the 15 key tech terms we covered today. 1. Software. 2. Hardware. 3. Application. 4. Bug. 5. Cloud computing. 6. Database. 7. Firewall. 8. Artificial intelligence AI. 9. Algorithm. 10. Bandwidth. 11. Open source. 12. Encryption. 13. Network. 14. Server. 15. User interface. These words are essential in today's digital world. By learning them, you not only improve your English, but also your ability to communicate confidently in professional and technical settings. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Simple English Learning. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, share the video with a friend, and tell me in the comments which tech term was new for you today. Remember, Simple English Learning is here to help you learn smart and speak confidently. See you in the next lesson.